Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to solve the given LPP using graphical method. Let us solve maximization problem based on graphical method. So here maximize z is equal to x plus y is your objective function. Subject to the constraints are x plus 2y is less than equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y is less than equal to 12. X comma y greater than equal to 0 is your non-negative constraint. Let us now go through the solutions. So first we will find the solution set of the given constraints. For that, convert inequalities, that is less than equal to sign, into equality. So for that purpose we have to replace that less than equal to sign by equality, that is equal to sign. So equation becomes x plus 2y is equal to 8, means what, instead of less than equal to you have to write down equal to sign. Second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now consider equation 1, that is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now in this equation first we have to put x equal to 0. So after putting x equal to 0 we will get 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. Therefore y is equal to 8 upon 2, that is equal to 4. In the same equation you have to put y is equal to 0. Then equation become what? X plus 2 into 0 is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 8. So our first point is 8 comma 4. Now consider equation number 2, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now in this equation also you have to put x equal to 0 and find out the value of y. Again in the same equation put y is equal to 0 and find out the value of x. So here our second point is 4 comma 6. Now we have 2 points, that is first point is 8 comma 4 and second point is 4 comma 6. So by using these 2 points we will generate a graph 1. As sign of both the constraint is less than equal to, we have to show the shaded region towards origin. So graph 1 becomes, now we have to mark the vertices O, A, B, C of the common shaded region. Common shaded region is the feasible region, that is feasible region is O, A, B, C, O. Now see here, we are going to start with O, so we have to end that with O. Okay, so optimum solution lies at its vertex, so it is a convex region. So shaded region is your convex region. As optimum solution lies at its vertex, we have to find out the coordinates of each vertex. So coordinates of origin O are 0, 0. Point A lies on x-axis, so coordinates of point A are 4, 0. Same way point C lies on y-axis, therefore coordinates of point C are 0, 4. Now point B is the intersection of two equations, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So to find out the coordinates of point B, we will solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. Consider equation 1 and equation 2. If you observe in both the equation there is a same term, that is 2y with similar sign. So same term, same sign, subtraction. So we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. While subtracting, we have to change the signs of equation 1 as shown. So we have to consider those updated signs. So here 3x minus x is equal to 2x plus 2y minus 2y will get crossed out. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Now 2x is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 4 upon 2, hence x is equal to 2. Now as we got the value of x is equal to 2, we have to substitute this value of x in equation 1, that is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, now we have to substitute x is equal to 2, so equation become what? 2 plus 2y is equal to 8. Therefore 2y is equal to 8 minus 2, 2y is equal to 6, and then y is equal to 6 upon 2, therefore y is equal to 3. So finally we are with the coordinates of point B, that is 2, 3. As we are with the coordinates of O, A, B and C, we have to calculate the different values of Z. As shown in the table, there are two columns, one for coordinates and one for the z max, that is our objective function. Now here first point is O, that is point O is with coordinates 0, 0. So put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in objective function z. So value of z is 0. Next point is A with coordinates 4, 0. So put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in objective function z. So value of z is 4. Similarly, we have to calculate the value of z by using the coordinates of point B and C. As our objective function is of maximization, we have to select the maximum value of z. Here maximum value of z, that is z max, is equal to 5 at point B with value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. See you all in my next video.